All right. The app that I chose to review is called The World HD, and it's an interactive map atlas. So the considerations that I chose were Bloom's taxonomy because I'm definitely more familiar with it. It's definitely more that like lower scaled ones, but it's a great facilitator of knowledge. So for remembrance, you could click on any area you wish, and then you could try to remember the facts about it, and then you can double check yourself. I think it's great for understanding because the fact that you can look at it from a regional direction or a street direction can help you learn how to navigate and understand the regions of anywhere you choose a lot better. There's not much application to it, but like I said, it's a great facilitator and like tool to use. I like it a lot. For evaluations, I like it because anywhere you click, there's fact books, and it includes so much: geography, people, government, economy, energy, as you can see, which we'll go into a little bit more later. And then there's not much move for creation either. So what I chose for differentiation, it is a very flexible app. And it's easy to use, and you can focus on whatever you want to focus on in regards to whatever class you're in, like if it's a communications class or a human geography or an economic or a government class or geography, you can choose what to use. For curriculum connections, like I just said, it kind of fits into how it is easy to use and you can differentiate it. And it is authentic because of how accurate it is, although it doesn't really promote any problem solving. For logistics, there are no limitations because this app was $3.99. That also fits into advertisement. There are no ads because I did have to pay for it, but there was not a free version that was an interactive atlas like this. The images are very good, and I like how you can look at it from different perspectives. Ease of management. It's not used to create anything, but it's an excellent facilitator. User-friendly. It only took me a second to get used to like know its features and how to get used to it. And then inappropriate content accessibility. I found it very strange that when you tried to click on a country, it automatically linked you to Wikipedia. But Wikipedia is becoming more of a viable source, I guess. You have to definitely look at the sources so you know what you're getting. Fluency, it's very easy for research. As I said, like I could click literally anywhere and it'll take me to a fact book. Like I could learn anything I wanted to about it and know that it's a reliable source. Like I said, for the evidence of learning, it is great for research. The app does support emphasis on breadth of knowledge because it's not just an atlas. It is so interactive. Like I could choose anywhere I want to go and anywhere I want to focus on, and then the content level I want to focus on. For development, you could dig deeper into memorization by self-quizzing yourself. If you think you know about a country, maybe you can, before you click on it, you kind of try to guess what they are, although it doesn't offer a formal assessment, which I think could be cool. And for presentation, the users of the app can't connect with each other, but you can connect with your surroundings, if that makes sense. And then participation, it allows for students to learn better just because of how interactive it is. I like it because it's not just a regular map, which is what I grew up with in a classroom, where I had to look at a map repeatedly and then go up to it, and I had to use a magnifying glass. True story. Design, it's definitely on the lower end of the Bloom's taxonomy, but sometimes you really do need that research. As I said earlier, for substitution, it's definitely just substitutes a basic map, and it could substitute all your maps. It could substitute regional maps, world maps, street maps. Like I said, it offers different views, so I could go anywhere and then look at the streets and the roads. Augment, It displays functional improvement just by being interactive. Redesigns a map or a textbook because literally all the information is at your fingertips at once, as opposed to having to read a textbook, searching for where you're looking at much of different maps. And Redefine, I like how it links different subjects. It's not just geography. Like, I could look into history, I could look into human geography or government economics. I think it amplifies by linking Wikipedia, but that can be dangerous if your students aren't informed of how that website works. I think it is very engaging. The interface is very user-friendly. It's accurate. It provides a plethora of information. Every country listed, the oceans, facts on those too. Developmental appropriateness. Okay, I found this very interesting because it said that the app is for people ages 4+, which I find hard to believe because I think it's definitely the youngest you could use it is maybe 5th or 6th grade. I would have a hard time believing someone but like slightly above the age of 4 would be able to use this and then take in all the information it gives correctly. Instructional design, geography is its own class. Like, it takes up at least 2 years of our secondary education from 5th through 12th grade. So I think it's very important. And the app is a great facilitator, although I do wish it included quizzes or self-assessments, like I said earlier. And for motivation, it doesn't really help students connect with each other, but I think the whole point of geography is understanding your surroundings. So it helps you connect a lot better by being able to go wherever you please on the map. And accessibility, it can't be personalized, but I like it because it can take you wherever you please. I hope you enjoyed my app review. You should definitely get it. I think I'm going to use it in the future. I could use it for a lot of different things, I believe. So, thank you.